Okay guys, false alarm.
You already did false alarm.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to another vlog with Niqua of Traveling with Niqua. And you know I got my wingman Jaff. She there looking for the address. We going hiking today guys. Yes, getting some exercise in. The hiking ain't like too bad, you know, because I am a beginner. I don't know about Jaff.
No, I ain't a beginner.
Okay, so you know she little intermediate, you know, professional, but I am a beginner. So yes, just want to do a little adventure. So yeah, you guys are gonna be hiking with me today, me and Jaff. All right guys, so that was like a 45-minute drive from Asheville. We are at Looking Glass Waterfall. I'm excited guys. I'm gonna see like a real life waterfall in the US. Like yes, and it is so beautiful, like the greenery, these trees are so tall and nice. I think we're just about 5 minutes away, so we're gonna see like what the parking situation looks like, and then hopefully we can like figure out, you know, the little hike. I think it's only like a half a mile when I looked it up to get to the waterfall, but we'll see. Can't wait to show you guys, you know, this hike and this waterfall. Anything to say, Jeff?
No, I'm just ready to start driving.
Yeah, we've been doing a lot of driving.
Yeah.
No lie, we've been doing a lot of driving for this trip, but everything's been really good so far. The roads here definitely is like, you know, one way in, one way out. So yeah, just kind of be mindful.
Just take us to the waterfall.
Okay guys, false alarm.
You already did false alarm. Oh my god.
You could literally pull up. Like you could pull up. When I mean pull up to the waterfall, like we literally pull up. Like this is so cool. But there are hiking trails. So we basically, when we was coming up, we saw people like parking, you know, at the side of the road at certain entrances. So if you want to hike, you can. But now we realize that we don't got hike to the waterfall. We thought you had to hike to the waterfall. But you don't. The waterfall right there. Let me show you.
Yeah, let me get to it.
Oh my god guys, it looks so pretty. And yes, of course, I'm gonna go down the stairs. OMG! I'm excited. I'm very excited. We like some. Oh yeah, for sure. Let me show them from the road. All right, guys. So when you get here, literally look at this beauty. Like, oh my god, this looks so nice. So yeah, there's like, you know, stairs you can walk down to the bottom. Wow. Wow. Oh my god guys, look at this. We are,
You call it exploring.
yes. Wow, this looks so amazing and it feels really good down here. Like, wow. You see this? Okay, we are walking down, and like people are like all on the rocks and stuff. The stairs takes you right down to the bottom of the waterfall. Like, oh, it's whole. So you definitely need to make sure you have on something to keep you a little, you know, I guess warm. Like I wouldn't come down here with like probably not like a tank top and shorts basically. So even though we didn't like hike to the waterfall, we still wore some good clothing that made it appropriate because it's very cold. Yeah, you could feel. Ooh, let me show you guys the view from the bottom. Okay guys, we going down, like through the rocks. So yeah, make sure I got on proper shoes. Don't try this at home.
The fact that you're doing this and recording, girl.
I paying attention.
And it's very cold.
It is very cold, like cold. Guys. Ooh, very cold.
We should have gone around that way, you know.
Where? All right. Ooh. I did it. I made it on the log. I just try and get my foot in. Wow. Front facing.
Amazing. Like a different person.
It feels very like good down here, right? Like
yeah.
the
Also,
wind.
there's a hint of a fruity smell down here.
Probably one of like the, I don't know,
I
the
don't know, but
plants
that's
or something.
Like, that's beautiful to me.
Yeah, it's very like relaxing and calming down here. Like, and as I said, like it is cold, so just prepare for that. Because as you get down to the bottom, you know, bottom here, you'll definitely feel the coldness. We literally just here sitting on one of these rocks, enjoying nature right now. Like, yes, here for it. So like calming and relaxing. You know, the last couple days we've been like outside, just lit. This just been like
Now we outside in
yeah,
nature.
just like in nature. Yeah, love it. The doggy.
Okay guys, glasses in the water. But she got them. You see the water cold?
It's freezing.
Whoa. Nice. Is trying to get back up without falling. I tell her let me pull her up, but she don't trust my strength, so you know she want to do her own thing. That's fine. There we go.
Alright guys, we are leaving. Water on my face because I splashed up. I threw up a little bit of water because I touched the water. Very cold, very cold. So we are walking back up the stairs now from the bottom. At least I'm gonna get some steps in for today. Get some steps. Whew. It's a long way up now. Oh, so the dog. Look at the doggy, guys. Uh-oh. All right. Going all the way up. Take your time. Woo. Okay, okay. Yeah, these stairs. Woo. Some piece of work. Almost back to the top. We made it. Made it to the top. Alright guys, we are heading back down. My ears definitely feel like they want to pop. So yeah, the altitude, yeah, you know what I mean. So yeah, so basically we heading back now. But yeah, that's a wrap. Hey you guys, we are heading to, I don't know what this place called. I need to clean my camera. Okay. Yes, we heading to a Mexican spot. It's in downtown. Everything is in downtown. We got parking right next to this bank, for Citizens Bank. You could just pay like $3 per hour. Jeff said the food looked good, and I guess it had good reviews. So that's where we are eating today. All right, so the name of this place is Sonora Cocina Mexicana. So, time to get some food. They seated us like right by the window, the lighting though. So they have like a scan. Most of the restaurants that we've been to, they have the QR code that you scan. You know, COVID, still a pandemic outside. So, which I thought, you know, that's really good. Alright guys, chips and salsa. So, I think she said this one is just like a regular salsa. This one is a little bit more hot. This is not guac, but it's like some type of avocado thing. And then this one to the right, this one is like some mango something. I didn't hear what she said. Yeah, she said this one is more hot though. This is probably the hottest one. Let's see what Jack says. It hot? Okay, right, very hot. For you. Thank you. What's the name of this one again? Mango habanero. Mango habanero. So yeah, definitely hot. I got sangria, and then Jeff got, what's the name of this one again? Paloma. Paloma. Mm-hmm. So let's get it. Okay guys, this sangria is it. Like probably one of the best sangrias that I've tasted, because it's like, it really have like the fruity taste to it. Tastes very refreshing. I love it. And Jack really likes her drink as well. So this is the burrito Sonora, but I got mine in a bowl, and then Jack got the actual burrito. Yum, yum, yummy. Sonora Cocina Mexicana. As you guys can see, it's in the heart of downtown. Like tons of places here to eat and walk around. So we literally park like right there. I don't know if you guys can see that parking sign. So as you can see, yep, it's just a quick walk across the street. So this is a review of the place. I think it was very good. My food was tasty. Jeff Like, she don't really like spicy food, so some of the sauce were kind of spicy, right?
Yeah, but it had tastes good.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't like how the rice and the chicken in my burrito was so like mashy.
Yeah.
I feel weird in my mouth, but it tastes like the flavor
Like,
was there, but
and the Mexican
the texture
cuisine
just wasn't for me.
Yeah, she loved her drink.
It
But
was
the
strong.
food did taste very, very good. So I would definitely highly recommend visiting this place if you want some Mexican cuisine. Yeah, so that's about it. That's a wrap.
We're going to
Honestly, yes. Like, we are going to sleep outside. Outside takes a lot of, we got to cross the street. Outside takes a lot of energy, guys. Hot girl summer. But, you know, we've been outside for days straight. It's like day 4. So, we're going to sleep, okay? So, I don't know when y'all going to see me on the screen again. Just know I'm alive. And make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, by the way, so you can see all my pics. Peace out.